Hi everybody, welcome back to House of Miracles Learning Adventures channel. Today we will go to school. Are you curious what there is at school? Let's go and see. This is my classroom. These are my classmates. This is my teacher. This is my best friend. There are desks and chairs. There is a blackboard. There is a whiteboard, too. There are posters on the wall. There is a door. There are windows. There are waste bins. There are shelves and drawers. We study English. We study French. We study math. We study art. We study PE. We study music. We study ICT. Hey, did you like my school? What about your school? Do you like it? For more educational videos, subscribe to our channel and keep learning.